Welcome to my channel. As you know that mangoes are everyone's favorite, so today we are making mango shake in this video, so let's get started.
Ingredients for mangoes: 1 glass of milk, 3 to 4 tsp of sugar, some crushed ice. Cut the mangoes into small chunks and add milk into the jug. Add the sugar into the jug. Add the crushed ice into jug. Mix all ingredients well. Fill the glasses with mango shake. And here your mango shake is ready to serve. Enjoy the drink! Like the video and hit the subscribe button for more amazing recipes.